Wow. Oh là là.
Oh wow.
Oh, you a big wave, eh? No? Oh là là. Oh my god. Oh my god.
എന്താ ಮಾಡತ್ತ ಬಿಡ ಈಗ
Oh my god, they all falling.
On March 3rd, 2024, in the rugged mountains of Nagar, Gilgit-Baltistan, a massive avalanche crashes down with unstoppable force, turning the valley into a river of snow and ice, a gripping reminder of nature's raw and untamed power. In August 2024, in the small town of Marion, Texas, a local man captured the incredible moment as swirling winds rapidly transformed into a powerful dust devil right before his eyes. Look at this. The car plunged through the ice. Thankfully, the driver and passengers escaped unharmed, but the vehicle was swallowed by the freezing water, beyond saving.
Вот он. Все. Сурф ушел.
While this family enjoyed the peaceful mountain views, something that looked like white mice zipped past them, one after the other. But here's the twist. It was not mice at all. It was pampas grass swaying beautifully in the wind, creating a truly mesmerizing and satisfying scene.
നമ്മളെ കടപ്പുറത്ത് നോക്ക് നമ്മളെ കടപ്പുറത്താണ്
A breathtaking sight thousands of snow geese take to the skies, moving as one. Look at this breathtaking moment as a giant airplane slices through a dense cloud, splitting it into two walls of mist and revealing a brilliant blue sky behind. This footage, captured on December 11th, 2024, in Brazil, shows how over 200 millimeters of rainfall turned this dam into a powerful force of nature, unleashing its unstoppable power. Watch this massive and intense tornado that struck Iowa in March 2023, leaving a path of destruction in its wake.
Dude, stop! Go strain, go strain, go strain. I'm stopping short.
Come under my jacket.
Look at this massive eruption of flames from the earth, signaling the ignition of natural gas underground, revealing nature's raw, fiery power beneath our feet. Don't walk on fresh lava. While it may appear solid, the surface is dangerously unstable, with molten lava still flowing beneath, as you can see.
No, este güey viene a que lo rasques.
Ven acá, hermosa. No manches, un tigre.
This captivating footage showcases a rare and awe-inspiring cloud formation, stretching dramatically across the sky. Its swirling, dynamic shapes create a striking contrast against the tranquil, clear blue above, highlighting nature's beauty in its purest form.
Yeah?
This is a piranha, a fierce freshwater predator with razor-sharp teeth and an incredible bite force. Oh my God, look at this massive elephant, weighing an incredible 8,000 kilograms, a true giant of the animal kingdom.
He's fat too.
Watch as an alligator drags a massive python through the water at Florida, Everglades National Park, demonstrating the sheer power of nature's predators.
That's awesome! That is a massive python! Dude, that's gnarly.
Check out this jaw-dropping shelf cloud captured in Brazil, a stunning display of nature's raw power.
اینجا اردبیل روش یخ زده می‌بینید؟
This year, winter is on another level. Everything is blanketed in snow, the cold is intense, and nature is truly at its extreme.
这你都来东北7年了，这天还没适应呢？今天多暖和呢，看人家17度。
我信你个鬼！哎，来时候好好的，
回不去了。 my God.
Witness the terrifying moment a tornado tears through this neighborhood, leaving destruction in its wake.
We called it, bro.
I'm still going.
Oh my God.
Check this out. When people build houses in the middle of the ocean, this is what happened. Watch as a massive rock flood surges through Zermatt, with debris and boulders rushing fiercely. This captivating footage from China captures a bubbling geothermal hot spring. When exposed to fire, its natural gases ignite. Strange phenomena light up the night sky in Miami, as unusual lights illuminate the darkness, leaving onlookers in awe of this mysterious display. Nature's raw power on display, this massive volcanic eruption occurred in Indonesia, a region known for its active volcanoes. Ash and smoke shoot high into the skies. This CCTV footage captures the moment a powerful earthquake hits Japan on December 14th, 2023. A massive landslide in Nepal causes trees to tumble down, engulfing everything in its destructive path. Experience the towering icebergs of Greenland, shaped by nature over millennia. These massive ice formations drift gracefully. Check out this stunning 360-degree rainbow. It forms when sunlight refracts through water droplets, creating a full circle, usually seen at high altitudes.
Shit, on my sick. Patty.
Behold the stunning beauty of the Dolomites in Italy, where the majestic peak glows under the golden sun. Known as the Throne of God, this awe-inspiring landscape showcases the true grandeur of nature.
Got some horseshoe crabs here. These guys are so neat. Look at them climb up into my little hand. Hey.
This man caught a huge snake in the street during a flood in Thailand. A remarkable and daring moment in the face of nature's chaos.
I've
had to pull over to get out of the car. It's at the Hyatt to see this. Someone has bubble bathed the fountain. I've literally pulled over, parked the car at the Hyatt to get out and see this.
Caralho, paredão, moleque, olha aquilo.
Caralho, cadê a moça?
4 metros, filhão. Maluco, o que é isso?
Ah lá, pela na retroescavadeira.
Jogou algo em cima, moleque, ele saindo. Olha isso. Cadê tu, Lucas? Ó. Aqui tem
The aftermath of a snowstorm on Newfoundland Island is nothing short of incredible. It looks like they could use a much bigger snowplow to tackle this. A massive crack splits the Brunt ice shelf in Antarctica, showcasing the raw force of nature as the ice fractures and begins to drift away.
செங்கோட்டை பல்க்கு பக்கத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு வீடு. இந்த வீடே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபுல்லாக ஒரு முழுங்கிருச்சு. அதாவது செங்கோட்டை பல்க்கு பக்கத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு வீடுங்க.
Unbelievable. A headless fish casually swims around. A fascinating glimpse into the mysteries of nature and the wonders of creation. Look at this scorpion glowing under UV light. Its exoskeleton absorbs and re-emits the light, creating a mesmerizing biofluorescent effect. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed exploring these incredible wonders of our world, make sure to hit like, share this video, and subscribe for more amazing content. Stay tuned for our next adventure. You won't want to miss it.